If you want to turn your wheat into flour, I highly recommend the dry mixer for the Vitamix with its sharp blend. Follow along as I review what I like and how often I use it and ease of cleaning. Today I'm making waffles and I'm going to use my Vitamix, but the dry container for mixing up my wheat berries that I bought. So this flour, bought at the farmer's market. I weighed it out for my recipe, made a little bit more just so that way I can measure out the exact amount once I blend it. I bought this about 6 months ago. I've had my Vitamix for over 10 years, but I really started doing a lot of oatmeal that was blended to use as a substitute for wheat. And so because of that, I thought I would use this all the time. I really haven't used it as much as I thought, but that's because the amount of baking that I've done has slowed down. So I'm going to start at my lower settings. And I will blend it. I'm going to mix this up a little bit, but ultimately it should do it for you. Now I can open this up and put a mixer that would allow me to kind of mix as I'm going. I'm just lazy and I don't use it. For my recipe, I'm going to go ahead and sift this flour, but you don't have to. I mean, look how fine it is already, even with just a few seconds of blending, and it gets it pretty fine. I'm overall really impressed. Easy to clean, just like my other Vitamix, which you can go watch that review. You throw some water, some dish soap, let it blend. As you can see, the blender cleans up very easily. The only thing I would note is this is open, so it was hard for me to dry the inside of this handle, but I'll just let it air dry. And I'll say that I love how effective this blender is. It was definitely quicker and more efficient than my regular Vitamix container, because my Vitamix container, the normal 64-ounce one, is specifically built for multi-use purpose, whereas this one is specifically for the dry items, and so it is built to blend up really well the wheat, the oats, whatever you're gonna blend. So for your dry goods, I would consider this mixer with your Vitamix if you're going to use it a lot. If you're not, probably not worth the cost.